shortcake pie. Stay tuned. Good?
Mm-hmm.
That's great. Good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Hi, this is ButterBeanz. So I'm gonna be making strawberry pie. So what? So my mommy did this. She made it because she loves making stuff for me. And then you can buy your own.
What is it?
Pie crust.
Okay.
So I have some sliced almonds. Or if you don't like any sliced almonds, you can do whatever nut you like. So
you can use store-bought pie crust and press them in, or you don't have to use any at all if you don't like nuts. But we do. So
let's open it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's open it. Whoa! I think we need to do something. I might as well get it like that. So it's crushed them up and sprinkled them in. Okay, crushed them up and sprinkled them in. Woo!
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
With soap?
Yeah.
And you dried them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And we will put our recipe for the pie crust in the link down below.
We can put a recipe.
Because mine's a little different than
Yeah.
I had vanilla and almond.
Yeah, we have vanilla and almond. Ooh.
Sort of like a
Makes
cookie.
me-
It's like
makes
a
me-
cookie crust.
Yeah, it makes me want to eat this though. It makes me want to taste test like a little bit.
Yeah.
That okay, Mom.
No. Keep going, that's not enough.
Okay, yeah. Maybe I'll crush them with my hand first
Sure.
like this.
You don't really have to because I get the sliced, but if you want to, that's okay too. Okay, so we're going to finish crushing this up, and you want to mix it in? Don't forget you got to mix it in with your hands. You got to get dirty.
That's the part. Oh. So let's get some more. Okay. Oh, that's my baby brother pointing where my feck was. Just like that.
Okay. And when you're finished, when you feel like you've got enough almonds, you want like 3 or 4 adult handfuls. But if you're a kid, you're gonna need, your hands are tiny, you're gonna need some more. So, okay, tell them.
Smell
okay.
good.
Okay.
I smell my fingers.
Tell the people.
Goodbye.
What's the next step?
I don't know what's the next step.
You're going to roll this out in the pan and pre-bake it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Just the bottom. Okay, go.
So we bake this up, and so the strawberries won't make it melty. Well, soggy, I mean. So now, Mom put the strawberries in the root ball. So now let's get started. So first, let's add some sugar. All of it, right, Mom? Okay, all of it. All of it. I'm looking at it like I want to eat it, but I can't. May as well dump it all in. There we go. Now let's do some butter with the spoon. Are you going to use a spoon? Ooh, melted. Come on, come on. Come on. There we go. And just, whoa. Go. Let's get some more.
And when we washed our strawberries, we did it with some warm water so that it'll kind of help everything melt together.
Yeah.
Not hot, but warm.
Yeah, like in the middle. Cold, really hot, and
so they're nice and warm, and they'll melt the butter.
I can put it here.
And mix that all together, and we'll add the cornstarch.
Okay, with this. Now I'll add the cornstarch to the the strawberry mixture. Okay, good.
Count 1.
Okay.
1.
2. 3.
And it's supposed to be 4, but those we're kind of big spoonfuls, so we'll just stop at 3. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Let's mix it up. So we mixed it up, and we mixed up with the cornstarch. Now let's dump it in. Let's dump it in. Whoa! I can't lift that up, so I might as well use my spoon because I can't lift it up. And now let's spread it. First time making a pie with a show. Whoa, that's a big.
What's your favorite kind of pie?
The chocolate pie from, what's it called again? The shop, Mom's. The chocolate pie from Mom. Apple pie Mom's. So I like the chocolate pie the most. That's what I like from Mom's. But Mom makes the best pie. Better than anybody. That's Mommy. That's Mommy. So, some pie crystals, so I just put in my mouth because I want to taste test them more. Because I taste test with my hands, well, it's doughy, but. Woo! Ah, come on! Oops, drippy. Oh, maybe we butter next to my mama. We butter next to my mama. There we go. Is that enough?
All of it.
Oh. Woo!
It's going to shrink when it cooks.
Okay, cause I saw it'll be no shrink. So it's like, oh, so it's like a panda you can eat with a filling. This is really good. Some got my hands, so I might as well look at it, because they didn't try the rhubarb yet. Woo! Ta-da! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at that mountain. Now that we got our filling in, we're gonna now put on the toppings. So we're gonna crumble up some of our dough in the tiny pieces. There you go. Mom baked the pie in the oven last night, and now it's started. So let's get the knife. Thank you.
I'll give you a less sharp knife.
Okay. Mom's gonna get me a less sharp knife.
Forget I'm dealing with a 5-year-old sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now it's okay. Ooh, it's a butter knife. Cool. Now let's cut it.
Cut a nice piece.
Okay, now let's do this side. There we go. Okay, so I grow strawberries, and how I grow them is I get strawberry plants and I put them in there. You know, I dig a hole in them, put them in there, and then I pat it down, and then I water it, and then my baby brother, he steals my flowers and strawberries, but he's still cutie pie. So that's why I don't have a lot of strawberries, but And I got strawberry plate. Got strawberry pies. There's shortcake.
But what are we missing?
The whipped cream.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. But look, I got all strawberry. Look, strawberry, strawberry, strawberry.
We've kind of forgot when we went to the store, didn't we? We got sidetracked, didn't we? Again. It happens a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
It's all right. Maybe we can get some today and then we can have it for the rest of the pie, right? Okay, do you want to thank everyone for watching?
Thank you for watching.